trying to.
Got permanent tail lock on it.
Trying to open the door.
You got a G Commander 4x4. What's up, everybody? Y'all know what day it is. It's the day after the auction, so we gotta go pick up the purchases. Y'all see where we at right now. We're at the gas station filling up the Kia Turbo. Want you guys to guess how much it costs to actually fill up the Kia Turbo. I'll let y'all know at the end of the video. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up these purchases from the auction. So also too, we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I'm like 12 away. So if you haven't already, you know, just drop a sub on the video. You know, hit the notification bell. I will be dropping as much gaming information as you guys want. And for the people that wants like me for like extra information and stuff like that, and like want me to get to, if you guys want me to get to like certain videos first, you know, join the membership team. Like, membership is only 99 cents. That's the lowest membership. And you know, the highest membership is $4.99. So if you guys can, and then with the $4.99 membership, you know, you do get exclusive access to me and stuff like that. I do my best to try to respond to everybody in the comments as much as I can, but I do get busy. But with the $4.99 membership, you know, I free up my time. You know, I do one-on-one phone calls. You can text me basically anytime. You know, if you got any questions about car or anything, or want any additional advice, you know, just join the $4.99 membership. It's $4.99, and that gets you access to you'll have my cell phone number, you'll have my email, so you'll have direct access to me. And then if you guys want anything you guys want to ask Lucky that Lucky ain't answering, and you're a part of the membership, just ask me and I'll relay that to Lucky, because I see him all the time, I talk to him all the time. So you're actually when you sign up for the membership to $4.99, you're getting access to me, you're getting access to Carlos, you're getting access to Lucky, you're getting access to everybody that I know personally. So if it's anything that you guys want me to ask them personally, I will answer them for you guys, and I'll get the answers for you. So tune in, let's go pick up these cars, let's get to it. Gotta pick up these cars at the auction
for that Jaguar channel, man. Tighten up.
Man, Titan sorry, team Jaguar.
Titan Super Bowl this year.
No,
Chris.
Merry Christmas!
How you doing?
Good. What day?
He at work today. Yeah, he don't get no days off. Any dog ain't nothing. Man, us Jaguars, we cool, man. We
Jaguars get Trevor Lawrence.
We get no more pick.
They ain't winning no more games on purpose.
Oh no, we losing here on out. That's all right. Who we got next? I think we play like Seattle or something. I don't know. Or Green Bay. I think we play Green Bay, which is a L.
We play Green Bay Sunday.
Oh well, we play somebody that's probably gonna be a L. Ooh, got the Toyota. Love it.
You gonna check for it?
Nah, we checked it yesterday.
What's up, my friend?
Okay, you playing? We'll find other limits.
Yeah, it's cold. Let's go hop in this. It's a Toyota though, so he be alright. Come on down, Anthony Clay, calm down.
I told nigga Anthony Clay here though.
Where the fuck did I park that Jeep?
Love it, that line. Boy, they got a Jeep.
Yeah,
The Marco come shoot it up. Oh, shoot him on the Dollar Dream shit. Yeah, right.
Hey, I ain't on the Dollar Dream like you ain't got those out here.
That's a dream.
Yeah, that's a dream. Where are we going?
You don't know what you're looking for, do you?
I'm looking for that blue Ford Escape.
Yeah, we looking for the Escape.
Yeah, I don't see my phone. Hey man, this thing a little rough back here, man.
It's a Toyota though. That's all you need to know.
Yeah, that's all it needs. Toyota with under 200,000 miles. That's a premium. That's a premium car.
Oh yeah, under 200K. You know he gonna sell for 3,500.
Knowing him, 48.
48
48 about 48 about.
Clay stupid ass gonna be asking what's the real? What's the real? Yeah, what y'all do with I need a car like that. Nigga ain't giving you this car, man.
He didn't even check the fluids on him.
I take it yesterday.
That motherfucker commanded the
Need a paint job, and you gotta get a fender flare.
Yes,
What you gonna ask? 5 grand for this
I mean,
one?
it's only at 180.
What you gonna? What he got? 5 grand this one? Boy, he bought.
Commander 4x4. They don't take it to the detail shop.
What he got? 5 grand on this one, 35 on the other.
5, man. You just heard me say 5.
8,500 for 2 vehicles.
Then you wonder why everybody want to get in the car.
Wonder why everybody want to get in.
If you listen to everybody want to be in there.
Oh yeah, listen. Yeah, it need a good detail on there. It's 4-wheel drive.
Nah,
Huh?
because we need to get detail, but she can't beat the detail part.
Go back and do paperwork.
Do he work?
I don't know.
They gonna trade it in. They gonna do what's it called?
Oh, look at that. Look at that. He asking if the heat work. You start turning to
I
a
told
coach.
you, man. He's turning like 311
he
right
turned-
now. We about to go. We about to pull back in and I'm about to slap a paper tag on it and do paperwork.
I'm gonna drive one of these cars out here, the JJ car. At least I know the belt. At least I know the belt won't pop off on me on this
Oh
one.
man, the Kia Turbo. That's that turbo belt. You gotta keep it strapped down, man. Where my car at, man? Oh, you got it from Amigo Land? Oh, you got it from Amigo Land.
Oh, it's definitely limited, my bad.
This is the Suzuki I bid it on yesterday. They want $1,800 for this thing. They want $1,800. Is this worth $1,800? It's a 2002 Suzuki Grand Vitara with 205,000 miles. Look at it. They wanted $1,800, so $1,800 plus buyer fees would have you like $2 grand for that car. You think I was gonna pay basically $2 grand for no 02 Suzuki? Oh well, we got the Ford Escape right there.
Trying to reverse. I was like, man, I started back up.
Ford Escape, little. But if I get the little plastic piece to go all the way around, it should cover that up. Pop the hood for me, huh? Gotta check and see if we got oil. Battery, right? So we got some coolant. We can see that. Let's see if we got some oil. Yeah, we got oil. Start it up, Alex. Though, you see like under here where the pipe is, like just need to hook that back up. That ain't nothing. That's probably nothing. The last car there, so that's that one, and that one. So y'all can see they done peeled off and left me. I'm way behind. They're all the way up there. Sorry, stop sign, I didn't see you, my bad. They way up there, so let me go try to catch up with them. Look at that, so we done caught up to them. You know, they tried to speed off at me, but you know the Kia Turbo catch up to anything. You know, everything look like it's going good. Everybody's in the line. Let's see, little exhaust down there hanging on the car that I bought. So, but that ain't nothing. That's an easy fix. Yeah, I can see it at the bottom. Y'all seen that though. I'm falling behind. Look like I ain't seeing no cars veering or shaking or nothing like that. So I ain't driving them, but everything seems like it's going good, you know. So hey, who knows? It might be 3 out of 3, but we on our way back to the lot. So let's get them. Let's get them back. We're close to the lot, so we're almost there. So. Hazards on what, lay down? Or run out of gas?
They probably ran out of gas. Started. I mean, because they act like they want to start back up.
You ain't got no gas. The gas here behind the E.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to get gas right now.
Hey, you should have. Sorry as ever. Got my Kia just sitting out there in the middle of the street. All right, let me put my hazards on. Got people out here running, they ain't out of gas. Come on, man. Willis? I guess. Guess we at least just push it. What, did it start back?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Got me out here stopping because he literally passed the gas. Man, he ain't no. He literally just passed the gas station. I guess he really trying to chance it. That's gonna be him. That's gonna be him, bro. Out here stopping, holding up traffic, man. Oh, man, this is the. Well, that's what happens when you picking up cars, man. You try to. Let's see if he's still running or not. It look like he good. Maybe he'll make it back. Love pulling that. I ain't got my wallet trick.
Man, I learned that from you.
Oh yeah, that's the best trick in the book. I ain't got my wallet. Give him a couple of dollars to get him up here on the road. Come help him. Give him a few dollars. Get him up on the road, man. You know, I ain't gonna give him too much money. I'll let him put his own money in the car he bought. Got me. Well, hopefully that'll fix the problem. Hopefully it was just out of gas. So let's head to the lot. So, see, the Jeep made it back. That one made it back. Ford Escape. How the Jeep run?
Man, run all right.
This said it run all right. It look like you just need that little flare for the ball. Where Austin at, son? He's still in there.
You know,
He still got my car running? Disrespectful. Alright, run.
It run good. It just sound like a lot. It sound like a V12 in there though.
It's got that V12, yeah.
Like
You might as well hit it for the people, man. Got that V12 in there, man. V12, that's it. There's nothing to detail in that little pipe.
It just exhaust fix.
Yeah, it's just that's 21, 22 to fill this thing up. So basically a 10-gallon tank. So all the cars, we picked them up. They all ran back. You know, in the words of my dad, you know, it runs. They run. Like he'll say, that it runs. So they all run. They all made it back. So hey, you know, this time we're 3 for 3. You know, it's always good. So. Oh man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. And if you haven't already, you know, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, go get you a membership. Membership starts as low as 99 cents. You know, getting memberships helps me grow my channel. It helps a lot, just getting a membership. So, you know, get you a membership. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bells. Get notified. You know, tune in with me. You know, I'm always going to be dropping advice and information. And once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I will see you guys in the next video, in the next video, in the next one. And we're going to keep them coming. We're going to keep them coming. Y'all stay supporting. Y'all stay dropping your likes. Y'all stay dropping your comments. So I stay appreciating everything you guys do for me. Y'all really don't know. It really means a lot. It really means a lot. So I'm keep giving as much advice and information as I can. So like I said, if you haven't already, subscribe. Grab your membership. Have a good rest of the day. I'm out. Peace.